in the right.
Bobby,
Yes, girl.
I recorded these texts for voices on your hand. I have a microphone here on a
Oh, you're recording our voices?
on the Facebook.
Oh, okay.
See that microphone on top of that chair? That's
Oh my goodness. Did you hear Abe tooting a minute ago on it?
the front where we got anything.
Okay, I don't have any.
Don't worry about it.
Wait, why? I think it was this.
Wait a minute. Katie, this is your guess?
Where's your rope?
And Abe couldn't show you anything?
What happened to the rope?
Yeah, the rope on the stand. All right, Katie,
I
what?
think it was Miss Scarlet with the red hat. I don't have any.
I like rope.
Show her one phone. Hey, Katie.
There you go. I don't have any of them.
Okay, look in your cards. Well, I can make sure. I don't.
Lead pipe.
Lounge Miss Scarlet.
No.
Oh, that was just my card.
So, Katie, my question to you is, are you ready to make a final formal guess?
She can't do it till her next turn.
I know, but okay,
No, it's okay.
because neither one could show you anything. Sometimes something.
Depending on. Okay, my turn? Okay. Big numbers. Zero, three. Okay. Go. Fine. Go. Your turn, Katie. Okay. You're asking me, right? Wait, hold on. I don't want to.
Okay, go on. Change those places.
Okay. Oh.
Go in the secret passage if you
Oh.
want to conservative.
Okay. I think it was the Scarlet with the wrench and the conservative. The Scarlet and the wrench. Okay. I don't have it. And the Scarlet with the wrench and the conservatory. Do I just check it off? Yeah. That's why I just check it off. Okay, my turn?
Yes.
3.
This is making